Flags Magic Mountain. I'm Neil Thurman, the park president. We're here on a coaster tour of the construction of West Coast Racers. Will be the portal entry sign as you enter the area. So you're kind of going through a little tunnel here that's created by the ride, which is a pretty neat experience. So ride is, right around you the whole time as you're in the area, so it's pretty spectacular.
It goes up really fast. Many of you, most of you know how roller coasters are. You can see where the flanges are, and that's where the track is as it goes up the columns. So you can see no matter what, it goes up quick, and then it's going to dive back down, and there's, like Neil said, the spaghetti bowl area, throw you around, throw you back out, and then you can kind of get an idea of how low it gets over here.
So every new area needs new food and retail. So that's what we're getting right here. Behind you, that building will become the chicken coop, which will serve, obviously, chicken in the restaurant. It'll be on the dining plan. This, as you know, has been our candy store for a long time. It's an extremely popular candy store. It's getting a complete new look to it. It will continue to be a candy store when we make candy right now. We're actually making candy still now. We've built another kitchen, another place in the park to continue making.
Hey, it's Randy from the Funnel Cake Blog here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. It's early. The park opens about an hour and a half first day for West Coast Racers. We're going to go check it out and post some video in just a bit. Hey, it's Randy from the Funnel Cake Blog. Just rode West Coast Racers 3 times. It is awesome. Got my West Coast Racer sunglasses. Members are waiting to go in. The crowd goes all the way back up the hill. They're excited. This is an awesome ride. Absolutely loved it. Can't wait to ride it again. Pass holder and member previews. Select pass holders, select previews are the next 2 weekends, and then it officially opens to the public January 9th here at Six Flags Magic Mountain.